What's going on, people? My name is Antoine, this is ATM Tech, and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you an in-depth look on Samsung's brand new Galaxy Buds 2. Now, I say brand new quite loosely because these have been out a couple months now. However, what I wanted to do is wait till all the big creators got all their reviews and first impressions out of the way before I brought you mine. Not only that, but I wanted to make sure I spent a good amount of time with these buds, making sure I can give you a good, accurate representation of what they're actually like. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now I'm going to do something a bit unusual and skip straight to my conclusion. I really want to like these Galaxy Buds 2, like really. But unfortunately, there's just one key reason why they're just not doing it for me. Now, before I go into any more detail on that, the Galaxy Buds 2 are Samsung's entry-level wireless buds, replacing the original Galaxy Buds. Now, Samsung actually have quite an interesting true wireless buds lineup, with the Galaxy Buds 2 at the beginning, the older Galaxy Buds Plus next, then the Galaxy Buds Live, and then the Galaxy Buds Pro topping the range. Now, the weird thing is, although the Galaxy Buds 2 are the entry-level model, they kind of make the Buds Plus and the Buds Live a little bit redundant, and they're kind of giving the Galaxy Buds Pro a run for their money. So the Galaxy Buds 2 take the design of the original Galaxy Buds and refine it to make it a little bit more modern and sleek. Samsung claim that these are the lightest buds that they've ever made, and when you hold it in the hand, it definitely feels that way. So while the buds themselves borrow its design from the original Galaxy Buds, the case borrows its design from the Galaxy Buds Live as well as the Galaxy Buds Pro, with one small but quite nice tweak. So we've moved away from a large pill type shape to more of a rounded square design, and no matter what color buds you choose, the outside of the case is white, but then when you open them up, it shows the color of the buds themselves. I think this is a nice little touch. As with previous models, the case provides additional power to the buds, offering up to 18 hours plus worth of battery life. Samsung do say the buds provide 5 to 6 hours worth of usage on a single charge. Now, in my daily use, I never use them continuously for that long. I typically use them for 1 to 2 hours a day, and I found that combined with them getting charged up by the case, I was recharging the case maybe once every 10 days. There are definitely buds out there that provide better battery life, but for me that was more than enough. Now, as I said before, the Galaxy Buds 2 make the Galaxy Buds Live as well as the Galaxy Buds Plus pretty much redundant, and that's for two main reasons. The first reason is improved ambient control. Now, the original Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus had their own ambient noise control. However, the mics on those buds were subpar, which meant the ambient noise control was definitely questionable at times. Ambient noise control is supposed to use the mics on the buds to just let in natural sounds that you would normally hear. However, with previous models, this didn't work very well, and you were just picking up extra sounds that you didn't really want to hear, and it was quite distracting. On top of that, if you tried to speak while you had your ambient noise control on, your voice sounded really odd as well. Overall, it wasn't a very good experience, and I just generally didn't use the feature. The Galaxy Buds 2 improved on this massively. Its redesigned microphone system only lets in the sounds that you would naturally hear and nothing extra. I use this feature quite often when I go to the gym, and because you can control the amount of ambient sound that comes in, I can set it to a level just enough where if someone tries to speak to me, I can hear them, but it blocks out everything I don't want to hear, and my music is still the dominating sound that I'm hearing. The next feature is active noise cancellation. So the Galaxy Buds Live has active noise cancellation, but honestly, it is literally non-existent. When you toggle the active noise cancellation on or off, you literally cannot tell the difference. The story with the Galaxy Buds Pro is a lot better. With them being premium buds, the active noise cancellation is a lot more effective. Now, the active noise cancellation that's in the Galaxy Buds 2 almost rivals what you get with the Galaxy Buds Pro, which is very surprising given the price difference between the two models. You might have thought Samsung would have handicapped the feature in the Galaxy Buds 2 slightly, but no, it's there, it works, and it's very effective. To the point where you have to sit and consider and make a real decision as to whether you should go for the Galaxy Buds 2 or the Galaxy Buds Pro. Now, the Buds Pro does have more features and the sound quality is a lot better, but the extra cost is definitely a factor. Now, coming back to what I said about really wanting to like these buds, but I just can't, and that comes down to the fit. Now, I've been using some iteration of Samsung wireless buds for years, going back to the Icon X, and every single various model has been an absolute perfect fit for me, but I don't know what it is, I just cannot get the Galaxy Buds 2 to fit right, and it's really frustrating me, because as an overall package, these buds are absolutely brilliant. In the box, you do get different size tips to suit your ears, and usually the first thing I do when I get a new set of buds is take off the ones that are on there and put on the small, and it's usually a great fit. I've gone through all the different sizes of the spare tips, and none of them don't sit right with me. Not only that, but all the previous models of buds have some type of design mechanism that helps keep the buds in the ear, usually some form of rubber or wing tip that helps stabilize it. But the Galaxy Buds 2 just seems to rely on friction alone, and it just doesn't work for my ears. Pretty annoying when you're in the gym constantly trying to adjust it, but every time you touch it, you end up changing the song. Now, I did give these buds a really fair chance before I made this video because I did want them to replace my everyday gym buds, and I think I'm going to keep on trying them a little bit longer because, as I said, I do really like them. But it does seem as though these are going to be retired as a spare set of buds for in and around the house. You know what's funny? I was just about to wrap up this video, then I realized I didn't even talk about their primary function, which is sound or music. Now, disclaimer, I am no audiophile. However, I have used my share of headphones, earbuds, Bluetooth headsets, all that jazz over the years. So I do have a general idea of what sounds decent and what doesn't, and I would say these sound good. Nothing amazing, nothing earth-shattering, they just give you good clean sound. You can adjust the EQ in Samsung's Wear app. I'll just keep mine on dynamic just to give me the best overall sound. In terms of call quality, these perform well enough where people will be able to hear your voice nice and clear in majority of situations. So in conclusion, I would highly recommend the Galaxy Buds 2. However, just bear in mind that they may not be suited to your ears. So if you do go ahead and buy them, make sure you buy them from somewhere with a pretty generous returns policy. But I never told you that. I'll have them linked down in the description below if you want to check them out. But anyway, that's enough from me. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like down below, but I will catch you in the next video. Peace.